Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable SmartThings Hub firewall rules and security settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your SmartThings app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Devices section in the app. Find and select your SmartThings Hub from the list of devices. Once selected, tap on the Settings gear icon. Scroll down to the Advanced Features section. Look for the Hub Security option and tap on it. You will see the firewall settings listed here. To disable the firewall, toggle the switch to the off position. A confirmation message may appear. If prompted, confirm your choice to disable the firewall. Next, return to the Settings menu of your SmartThings Hub. Find the Network option and tap on it. Under Network, locate Network Status. Select Advanced Network Settings. Here, you will find various security. To modify these settings, tap on the specific security feature you wish to change. Adjust the settings according to your preferences. Make sure to save any changes you make. Once all settings have been adjusted, return to the main screen of the app. Check to ensure that all security settings are disabled as you intended. Your SmartThings Hub is now configured without the firewall rules and security settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.